cruiser, just in it, unique, especially in classics. 1966 Dodge Polara 4-door sedan. 2-owner car, originally out of Colorado, believed to be original miles. A little over 51,000 is all in this one. It's like a time capsule. We'll do a little walk around. I'll show you, point out some things. First of all, underneath the hood, 383 V8 power, paired up with a torque flight automatic transmission. Power steering. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Of course, headlight surrounds, Polara grille and hood ornament. Now, is the bumper perfect? No. There's a couple little small dings. This car has not been restored. The way you see it is the way it's been for the last 2 owners its entire life. If you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. That's uniqueclassiccars.com. 507-386-1726 is the number you can call. Steel wheels with wheel covers, radial tires. There's also an extra set of wheel covers that are going to go with this. I'll show you that in just a second. It also comes with a tissue dispenser that's still in some bubble wrap. Window sticker, Certicard, 1966 showroom brochure, and original owner's manual. All of that's going to go with it. Take a look from the front to the rear in this car and how straight these panels are. Light blue in color, as you can see. Two-tone blue vinyl interior. Bench seat up front. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look at the fender skirts in the rear. But just free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, you're going to have an imperfection here or there. They're pretty minute. Like I said, this thing's kind of basically like a time capsule. Look at this interior. Radio works, blower fan works, wipers work. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, I mentioned wheel covers and the tissue dispenser. Those are right there. I put them back in the trunk where I found them and on to the next owner. With the car they'll go. Some service work recently done to this car. New front sway bar bushings, new wheel cylinders, all 4 corners, front brake shoes and hoses. This car's ready to go. Turn the key, have some fun, your local roll-ins, car shows, cruise-ins, what have you. Have some fun with this car. Let's take a look down the driver's side. If you're into these 4-door sedans, maybe mid-60s Plymouth, Dodge, Chryslers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, either online or right off our showroom floor. All right, I want to show you this interior a little closer. And you'll be able to see this all in the still pictures. Look at the back of the seats. Vinyl in great shape, free of rips, tears, holes. And check out the copy of the window sticker. It's actually the original window sticker, but still in the still pictures you'll be able to see it. Listen to that door close. Don't sound like that anymore. Door panels, great shape. So I'm saying the condition of the interior of this car, underneath the hood, the dash, and we'll look underneath the hood in a second. Start it up, let you hear it run. If you stick around to the end of the video, we're going to have Jason take over a drive too, so you can see how it goes down the road. Very believable, the 51,135 as far as miles on it. And if you want to see that, there it is, 51,135. Gauge cluster. Of course, your heater switches and controls. I do have a little Kmart FM conversion underneath the dash. I have not played with that. I'm assuming you would put it on a certain channel on the AM up top for it to project to. Let's go ahead and We'll play around with it a little bit here. Maybe we can get that FM radio to work. I know the AM does. I'll show you that here in a second.
To understand where there are external factors, they need to at least eliminate that possibility.
So we're going to power that on down below. And lots of times, turn this down to the lower range. Let's see if I can get it to work offhand here. Everything powers up. Like I said, the AM radio up top works. Can't seem to get that FM to come in, but that doesn't mean it doesn't work. I may be able to, may not be able to operate it correctly. Let's put it that way. Like I said, there's the AM. Comes in like typical AM. Anyway, is working. Fuel gauge working over here. Temp gauge, you can see that. That has not moved up. That was a cold start. Kind of tough to see. Looks like alternator is working. Barely hear this thing run. This is smooth. It's a 383, folks, underneath the hood. That's standard. In the 66 Polara, again with that automatic transmission, torque light. Let me pause this 1 second. I'm gonna pop the hood, show you the engine bay, how clean this is. Very believable at the 51,000 mile mark. And Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it works. All right, first off, look how clean the underside of the hood is. And again, 1966 model year. You still have the rubber seal, that wood seal down here. Take a look at the stickers, still in the radiator support. And look at how clean that firewall is. Inner fenders, you'll be able to see a close-up of the fender tag in the still pictures. Look at the paint and the condition of that engine. Looks like we have a newer master cylinder back here. Battery disconnect for in between drives and while it's in storage. Like I said, this thing reminds me of a time capsule. That's the condition I would say. Stickers once again. Pretty cool cruiser. 1966 Polara 4-door sedan. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Dodge Polara that really is kind of a time capsule. Starts up and runs like a factory car off the lot, nice and quiet. It's an automatic on the column. Interior in great shape. Exterior also looks like it's in great shape. Everything's quiet and functional and smooth. Factory horn sounds great. Acceleration is very good. Gauges are pretty cool in this car. We got the fuel gauge set inside the speedometer. Speedometer looping all the way around it. Both of those working great. The fuel gauge reading just under half of a tank. The temperature gauge on the right side is about a third of the way up, and the alternator is charging above halfway, and that looks good. The oil pressure is a light, so you won't see that unless your oil pressure is low, which is not lit, so it's doing great. Factory radio.
That your listeners.
That works excellent. Under the dash is an FM adapter from the era. Blower motor works, wipers work. Nice looking carpet. Nice looking headliner. Those are two things that sometimes will show some wear. Brakes function very well, smooth, and do not pull to either side. Our turn signal indicators are working. One of those cars you can take probably most of your family and friends in. It's a nice big seat in the back, bench seat up front and in the back. Really nice looking blue vinyl seats. This car corners as it should. Really great, smooth running Dodge Polara. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.